everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Rituparna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you this subtle foxy eye look. If you don't know what foxy eye trend is, it's kind of elongating the inner and outer corner of your eyes. It's a trend going on since a while, and it has been really high, but this looks really beautiful. So let's get into the video. First I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay foundation. Now my foundation is on. So for the concealer, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And we're blending this out. Make sure you keep it that same place you are putting to blend. Now I'm going to bake my face. For this I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. We are going to put that right here. We put the concealer. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So now I'm going to start with my eyes. For that I'm going to use some concealer. For the concealer I'm using this Fit Me concealer. I'm going to apply all over my eyes as a base. So now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my eyes. So for the eyeshadow, I am using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Just going to take this shade right here. So now I am just going to pick that into my crease. Also, when you are putting this eyeshadow, make sure it's a little bit higher up on your crease, not actually in the crease. Okay, so we can move on to creating a wing shape. I'm using this deeper shade, and I'm just going to take this on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm just gonna bring it up into a wing shape. Okay, so my base wing is all on. So now I am going to smoke out with this crease shade. Okay, so I'm going to build up the color a little bit more. You can stop here if you want. If you're happy with the color, you can make this look more natural. So it's completely up to you guys. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm just going to clean this up, and then I'm going to start with the actual wing. For the wing, I'm going to take this dark brown shade, and I'm going to spread it. Just wanna start about the outer third of my eyes. in outer corner and wanna extend it little bit, and then we're going to create a little flicks in the inner corner. Right off camera, I'm going to use some mascara. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the lashes. For the lashes, I'm using this PAC Cosmetics. I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. Okay, so I'm going to contour my nose. This step is very important because you wanna bring the eyeshadow right here down your nose. I'm going to put some highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm using this mustard comb highlighter. I am just gonna put some on the tip of my nose, and I'm just gonna put a little bit right here. Lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. Okay, after that I will apply some lip gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will see you in my next video.